Yes, how? Nothing written. Okay, now tell me what to do first.
Find the base area.
Good. Where is the base area? I'll say. Where's the base area?
You can use this.
Okay. Yeah, not wrong, but let's do it neatly lah. This is the base area. Okay, what is the base area? 7 times 10. So it's find the area of the rectangle. Then he said minus, good. Minus what? Two pi. No. Okay. Now, minus what? Right? Are you asking me 2 pi r? What are you trying to subtract?
No. Area of the circle.
Area of circle. What is the formula for area of a circle? Is it 2 pi r? What do you mean? Yes.
Someone help.
No need. Ryzen, does this look like the area formula? I have no idea. Don't look at them. They might not even be giving you the correct answer. So does this look like a formula for area? 2 pi r.
Wait, no. Is this ID?
It is okay. So Ryzen says it is either 2 pi r or pi d.
Circumference.
Huh?
That's what circumference.
This which one is for circumference?
Both, I think. Wait.
Both?
Yeah.
Both for circumference. So you're saying that these two are equal? You are correct. Okay, so what's the area formula?
Pi r squared.
Good. Area equals to pi r squared. Okay, so what is the base area now? 7 times 10 minus
Pi times 2 squared.
pi times 2 squared. Do you all agree? Agree? Do you all agree? Silio, do you agree? Pi r squared. Yes. Ryzen, what is the radius? Oh yeah, sorry, it is right. Sorry, guys, the radius is 2 is correct. I thought I saw diameter is 2. So yes, Studio, you're right. Ryzen, you're right also. Please forgive me for scaring you all. Okay, so what is the base area? 70 minus 4 pi. Okay, so this is in square centimeters. Do you want to evaluate? Yes or no? No. Doesn't want to evaluate. Okay, good. What is the next part? Part A says find volume.
Multiplied by the height, which is 12.
Okay, so volume, part A, equals to 70 minus 4 pi times 12. Okay, and question says take pi to be 3.142. So 689.184. Do you want to run off?
No.
Why not?
Yeah, 3SF.
A run off, huh? To 3SF. Why run off? Huh? It's already the answer. How do we decide when to run off or not? Just do it. Okay lah. In this case, you are correct. 689 cubic centimeters. We are rounding off because of pi. Okay, pi makes it non-exact. It goes on forever. Okay, so this answer is not exact. That is why we round off to 3SF. Okay, part B now.
70 minus 4 pi. Wait, multiplied by 2.
70 minus 4 pi times 2. Okay, then what do we do? Plus
2 times 7 times 12.
2 times 7 times 12.
Yeah, and then plus 2 times 10 times 12. answer.
Ah, that's the answer.
Yeah, I think so.
Why you smiling? Okay, so Ryzen says that the total area 70 minus 4 pi times 2. I'm gonna highlight where this is. You know why she's smiling? Because you're doing something that I don't like. Okay, so the yellow color highlighted portions are shown over here, the two base area. 2 times 7 times 12. 2 times of 7 times 12. 7 times 12 over here. Yes, is this what you want? Okay, we got 2 of them. And then 2 times of 10 times 12. So the front and the back, correct? Is that really the total surface area? Are there any other exposed parts?
For the inside.
Ah, the inside. Okay, so what is that? How do we calculate?
I don't know.
Try. Ryzen has correctly pointed out that he did not consider the inside. So what is that surface area on the inside? So far, so good for this. Although I prefer to use the perimeter. That's a clue. Perimeter. Okay, now class, listen up. What Ryzen has shown in green and in blue is not what I like. I prefer you to use the perimeter of the base area so that you reduce the amount of working. Now I'm going to show you another advantage of why we should use the perimeter. So because he didn't use the perimeter, he ended up in this state where he does not know how to calculate the inside area. What happens if you outline the perimeter of the base area? Can you do so now? Okay, Ryzen, can you outline the perimeter of the base area? You correctly point out the base area. So outline it. Good, 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 good. Okay, is this what you have? Yes? Huh?
Circle.
Yes. Why? Yeah, what about it? Yes, they said 3.142. Are you saying that part A we should not run off? Why is trying to tell me? Hi, is 3.142. Yeah, why? Where one? Why did my answer use pi? No, my final answer did not use pi. 70 minus 4 pi. This is my intermediate step. I can put it as 3.142 if I want to. I can. Okay. Is it wrong to leave it as pi? So you want me to write this? Is it? 70 minus 4 times 3.142. Is this what you want me to do? Okay, then I will get a value of 70 minus 4, 3.142, 56.352 square cm. Okay. I'm on okay so far? Yeah, then after that, I will substitute this value inside here, and I'll still get the same answer. Okay, think about it, Iman. Okay, so Ryzen. Hey guys, I ask you to outline the base area. Ask you to outline the base area, which he has done. Now he is thinking, should he outline the circle as well? What do you think? Yes, you should outline the circle as well, because all these will contribute to the lateral surfaces. As long as it's not the base area, it is a lateral surface area. Okay? Now, instead of doing all these, we are going to simplify our life. Don't make things difficult for yourself. We're going to write down the perimeter. Basically, all the distance that is in red. So what are they, Ryzen? 10 plus 10 plus 7 plus 7. Is that all? Good. Circumference. What is that?
4 pi.
4 pi. How do you get 4 pi? Pi d. Okay. So 4 pi. Good. But then it's just the perimeter. What do we need to do with the perimeter? Earlier on, when you did it by yourself, you said 10 times 12, right? Earlier on, you said 10 times 12. Then after that, you wanted to add it to 7 times 12. 7 times 12, right? So now I am actually doing that for you. But right now, I only have the perimeter. What do I need to multiply it by? What was common in your working? 10 times 12. 7 times 12. So what do we multiply by? 12. With this, we can get the total area straight away. Any questions? Did you learn something? I hope you did. Did you know about this? Perimeter times perpendicular height. Or have you always been doing add this square plus this square? You have been adding all the squares. I have been telling you all to use perimeter times the perpendicular height. Can you see the advantages of that already? If you don't pay attention, then you're going to end up having a hard time. Okay, please go back. Okay, so now our answer in this case will be 673.68. Okay, approximately 674 square centimeters. Any questions so far? Hey, if you don't listen to advice, you're going to have a hard time. Why are you choosing to make things difficult for yourself? Okay, so basically you can either choose to do what you want to do, thinking that it is easy, but in the end you have a hard time. Or you can put in a bit more effort, do the difficult part first, and you have an easier time later on. These two options, it's going to be one or the other. And I think that there is a right choice to be made. You always want to have an easier time in the long run. So put in some effort now. Okay, now next question. Terence. Okay, Terence, here we have a prism. Cross-section is formed by cutting out triangle CDF. This is triangle CDF, which we are cutting out from the parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. Okay. Find the surface area and volume of the prism. Okay, so Terence, how do we start off? You want to screen share? Okay, paper. Okay, so are you confident of talking loud enough, or do you need to come over? Not confident, so come over. Quick. Okay, let me see your work. Base area, good. Base area will be 20.2 times 25. Or 20.5. 20.5 minus 10 times 7.5. Seeing this, I have a lot of questions already. Why 20.5 times 25? What are you trying to find? What? Rectangle. Where rectangle? Where? Which shape is rectangle? EFBA. So, our dear Terence tells us that this is a rectangle. What do you highlight? What do you underline in red? What do you underline in red? So, rectangle or parallelogram? Parallelogram. So, is your working correct? Huh? Yes, sir. What is the area for parallelogram? What is the formula for area of parallelogram? Base times perpendicular height. Very good. What is the base of this parallelogram? What is the base? Never say. Oh, base is 25. Okay, good. What is the perpendicular height? Or is it 20.5? It is not. Why isn't it 20.5? Or because it's a parallelogram, this is not a 90 degree. Okay, so what is the perpendicular height? What's the perpendicular height? It is given in the diagram. 18. Good. Okay. First big question in my head settled already. First, you got the base area of the entire parallelogram, 18 times 25. Now you take away something. Take away area. Area of triangle. Is the area of triangle given by something that is something? Yes. What do you learn in primary school for area of triangle? Half times base. I don't see a half times base times height over here. Okay, so what is the area for the triangle now? Half. $7.5. How do you get 7.5? 20.5 minus 13. So this is your base. Sure. Okay, if you want to use this as a base, then what is your perpendicular height? The base is 12. Okay, he changed his mind. Doesn't want 7.5 as the base anymore. He decided that the base is now 12. Then what's your perpendicular height? How about you draw on the diagram where is the perpendicular height? The base is 12. Okay, he's trying to do this. This is his perpendicular height. You all agree? Right? If 12 is the base, then that is the perpendicular height, but there is no way to find out what that is. So he has tried FC as the base, decided that this is not a good idea. Then he tried 12 as the base, decided that's not a good idea. Wow, you very unlucky. Three sides of the triangle, the first two choices all wrong. Then how? All these dollars. Okay, what's your base now? DF is your base. What is the distance? 10. Good. Then what's your perpendicular height? How about you draw the indicate where is the perpendicular height? Where? You mean FC? Is it going to be FC? No, huh? How about this? Is this what you want? Yes. And what is the distance? Is it given to you? Look closely at the diagram. It is given to you. What is it? 8. The perpendicular distance is 8. And now calculate. What is this base area? Minus 40. 410 square centimeters. Understand? Okay, we've got the base area now. That makes things a lot easier. You want to do the surface area or the volume first? Okay, total area. What should we write? 20.5 plus 15 plus 12 plus 13 plus 25. Oh, okay, it's here already. Times 30. Okay, good. Plus 2 times 410. Okay, good. With that, we have plus 15 plus 25 plus 5 plus 30 plus 840. 3385. Okay, so this is our total area. What about the volume? Yes. Very good. Okay, so we have 12300 cubic centimeters. Thank you. You can go back. Learn something? Okay, who do you have next? Zhen Yu. Zhen Yu, next question. Oh, you have 2 beers, right? Okay, volume of circular prism. Or semicircular. Half pi 7 square 30. Volume of trapezoidal prism is half 6, 36, 30. Total.
No, like round off.
Okay, you hang on here. Okay, class, look at the work by Zhen Yu. Do you understand what's happening? You understand? But not the way I thought. He found the volume of the semicircular prism first. I like the way he presented it. He makes me understand what he's doing, even though it is not what I thought. Okay, but it's fine. Half pi r squared times 30. Okay, this is correct. Then volume of the trapezoidal prism, half times 6 times 36. Question, where did this 36 come from? Okay, this is from 22 plus 14. It is correct, but I would prefer if you write it down to show me how you get 36. So you add everything up, round it off to 5549. I don't want that. I want the 5SF first before you round off. And why round off to 4SF? Very strange. Cannot be no reason. This is 4SF. So what is the 5SF value? Okay, look, class. Now I'm asking him, what is your 5SF value? I want to see it. So what does he need to do now? What do you need to do now? Calculate again. Okay, go and do it. So if you had written the 5SF, you don't need to press the calculator again. .1 5SF. Okay, so round this off to become 50 cubic centimeters. Okay, now part A generally quite simple. But do you remember my preferred approach? Do you remember my preferred approach? Find the base area first, which is this area, which he didn't do, which is fine. Let's look at how he does part B. Part B, base area. You see, now the base area come again. Base area, half pi times 7 plus half times 6 times 36. And you had to calculate it again, right? 24.5 pi plus 108. Can you all see now the duplicated work? Can see now? Chuban, stop talking. This portion is duplicated over here. You see that? You see doing the same calculation? So why waste effort? If you can write down right from the start, base area equals to whatever. Save some time. Okay, then carry on. Total area. Half pi times 14. Okay, so this is the half of the circle. Okay, good. Plus 6 plus, no, plus 10 first. Okay, you went the other direction. 10 plus 22 plus 6, good. Then you multiply this by 30, correct? Plus 2 times of your base area, 24.5 pi plus 108. Okay, correct. Oh, now you need to calculate again because he gave everything in 3SF already. I want the value before you round off to 3SF. Okay, now you go back and do it also. Oh wait, there's a part C. So fill in the blank over here. Exterior surface is to be painted 48.5 per square meter, total cost 2170 square cm equals 0.217 square meters. Okay, very good. Divide by 10,000. Yeah. Divide 100 square, 10,000. Total cost equals to 48.5 times 0.217. Okay, very good. Then 0.5245. Now over here you write more dp. It is correct. 10.52. Why 50? Why 50? Why 3SF? And this is not 3SF. Okay, now class. When you round off, this is to be in 2dp because this symbol over here means because money. Money in 2dp. Thank you. You can go back. Okay, so now you get a little bit of time to do question 2. Or Jordan, have you finished already? Question 2? Ready? Okay, come show me your work. Question 2. Cake, radius 14, height 12, 1/8 cut out, 5 volume remaining. Okay. Base area is 7/8 pi r squared. Good. And the value for r is 14. So let's change it to 14 square. We get okay. Good. 171.5 pi, assuming you're correct. Then volume. So 17 1.5 pi times 12. Okay, good. 6465.39. I will assume that your calculations are correct. 6470. Good. Okay, this is exactly how I'll do it. Now, in part B, find the total surface area of the remaining cake. It says take pi to be 22/7.
I have to change it to 22/7.
Okay, good. So total area 7/8 times 2 pi r, which is 14, plus 14 plus 14, correct? Then this is multiplied by 12 plus 2 times of 171.5 times 22/7. Okay, excellent. Everything is correct. Now, assuming no calculation error, 3,000. Okay, thank you very much. It will be.
It's just a whole number.
Oh yeah. Okay, good. 2998 square centimeters. Okay, good. Okay, so this is the approach that I will take also. Same. We on the same frequency. Now that brings us to Manish. Okay, am I going too fast, guys? No, it's actually the same thing, right? Repeated over and over again. Okay, so Manish, haven't finished? Okay, I give you all some time to do it for question 12 and the next one, question 5. Here, volume and, sorry, not cross section, total surface area. Okay, working, you have copied down already, and these are the final answers. Question 6. Sorry, the last. Wait, did I get the wrong? Oh, sorry, wrong question. This one. Sorry, the volume and total surface area. Okay, all these will be posted online as well. Now for question 5, due to a lack of time, I will go through it tomorrow. Okay, so you can chill. Now, what we're going to do next is play some games.